blush sauce, alright? Yo, I'm looking kind of sweet. I like it. Yo, dog, yo,
dog, yo.
Yo, what the fuck are you doing, dog? Yo. What's poppin', guys? We're back. Fuck. Mixed Monkey here, you already know. That's the name of our channel. We're out here. You know. What's poppin',
guys?
Yo, you already fucking know it's Mixed Monkey out here.
Monkey out here.
What are you doing? Anyways, yo, we're back here. Trying to make video.
Back here.
We didn't leave.
We didn't leave yet.
What do you mean we didn't leave?
We just got here.
Anyways, yo, we're here. You already fucking know we're here. Okay, so enough with the fucking rambling. Okay, so we're here introducing ourselves as the new upcoming YouTube stars. Anyways, we're gonna be doing cake reviews. We're gonna be doing hat reviews. What's hot? What's hot in Toronto?
What's hot in Toronto?
Toronto news.
Toronto
rappers. Dick and Dawn on the dick in the dick in the ass.
Wait, no.
Huh?
That was no dicks no ass. No dicks no ass, man.
Oh shit.
No ass. Just,
Alright, dog. Yo, but we're gonna do rappers. We're gonna do fucking actresses, ballers. Yo, you already know I'm a fucking. Sorry, dog. Yo, I'm a fucking baller out here. Here, dog. Yo, you know I got the kicks out, fam. You already. Yeah, but anyways, what else? What else did we say, man?
Gaming.
Shout out to fucking Brandon.
Did you say skits already?
Did I say skits? Did you say skits? So we're gonna do skits. We're gonna do clothing attire. Right now I'm fucking looking bummy. Oh shit. He's looking fresh out here. I don't know, man. Me, I didn't know. You already know, dog. But we're gonna do hype beast shit. I know you hype beasts. I like to watch YouTube videos.
Out there.
You fucking
I know
hype
all
beasts.
you guys are
Right there. You're watching. I know you're fucking watching.
See you.
We fucking see you, dog. Yeah, hype beast. We're gonna be talking about Supreme, Babe, Romello, Jordan.
Huh? Romello?
Huh?
No, you're not. Romello.
What are you talking about, dog?
No, take over Romello.
What are you talking about, dog? Alright, yo, Romello's got not me talking about Romello, dog. Talking about anything, dog. Anything you guys want to talk about. Any fucking thing, dog.
Wait.
What?
No, you can't do that.
Why?
Because, no, you can't do that.
That's not my voice.
No, it's not.
That's not my voice, dog.
Let's keep going.
Yo, that's not my fucking voice, dog.
Okay.
Anyways, bro, you know, we're gonna be doing haircut review. Fucking hairs. You know, we're gonna go around Toronto looking. What happened? We're gonna be talking about people and their haircuts. We're gonna go around talking to people, you know? You already know, man. But, anyways, I'm Romello. That's David.
Day.
There's other members of our cast out here. Romario, Lenny, Josh, Tyreek, Jay, and fucking Len Dog. Did I say Len Dog?
You already said that, right? No, I haven't.
And Narium Dog, the cameraman that's filming. You already know. So yeah, man.
I think you forgot Brandon.
No, I said
Brandon.
Brandon, Romario, Lenny, Ty, Jay, fucking Nario, dog. That's all the niggas in our fucking crew, dog. And shout out to my brother Marcus too, and fucking Kenny, and fucking Gilbert, and fucking Jordan, and John. Yo, what are you doing, dog? Anyway, we're fucking up.
Dami na pusin! Yo, what's up? Yo, living in the die is like great. The weather?
Oh, it's fucking me. Oh, it's fucking me.